So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 20th of July. Now let's just have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards the 6712, from which we have seen support, had strong bullish move up towards the $69 barrel level, briefly pulled back towards the 6773, so another bullish move, breaking beyond 6951 all the way up towards that $70 barrel. Had a bit of a bull flag forming here at the 6951, but what we have seen is, for some reason, there's been a gap in the market. Can't explain that, but there's been a gap in the market to the downside. We have seen prices trade below the 68.19. We've had a brief bullish move to the upside from there towards 69, and again we do appear to be rejecting. So if we do continue to reject the 68.19, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 67.73, successful break from which looking for a move down towards that 67.12, from which we've previously found support on two recent occasions. And if we do see volatility bring us beyond the 67.12, the very next levels of note are as follows: the 66.71, and from there 65.60. I wouldn't anticipate prices trading beyond the 65.60 to the downside here, even on a particularly even if we do see quite a bit of volatility come into the market from where we are at present. If we do break back above and hold above the 68.19, which we do seem unlikely to at the moment, but if we do break and hold the 68.19, we're looking for a move towards that 69.51, successful break from which we then looking for price head towards that $70 barrel mark, from which we've previously encountered resistance, and in around that $70 barrel mark we also have the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the daily chart of the US oil, we can see here that we've had price come towards the $75 barrel, had a brief sell-off all the way down towards the 67s, pretty much near an $8 move, and we've had a degree of bullishness from 67.12. We've stalled in around that $70 barrel mark, as we can see by this wick. Higher prices have been rejected, so possibly looking for a move back down towards our 67.12. In the grand scheme of things, overall on the higher time frames, the overall trend is to the upside despite this sharp move and this subsequent sharp pullback. There still remains a possibility of posting a higher relative low on it from a daily chart perspective. So we do have our lows here in around at 63, in around the 63.60s. So there remains a possibility of still posting a higher low, and even if we were to see a retracement down towards that 65.60 here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.